Let's spin this off.
How to remove a steering wheel, because this has never been done on YouTube before, especially on an S13.
19 millimeter.
19 bajillimeter.
Yeah. Pull off the nut, and then don't lose it because I think you might need it. And then discover that the steering wheel is not on that tight.
Wow, maybe that may be dangerous.
Cool.
What, do you know what the Nissan button does?
Which one?
The Nissan button.
It's not a button.
It is a button.
Not a button.
It just doesn't work for you.
Oh, make it work then.
No.
Why not?
Because you caught the funky ass attitude about the Nissan button. Now I don't want to.
Well, make it work then if it's so great.
Yeah,
Tell me all about it.
While I'm driving it, I will fucking push it. I'll push it all
I will. Whenever you.
Why don't you just put the steering wheel on, man?
Why don't you get a job? What's that? Oh.
YouTube. So
I don't want that. I'm gonna figure it out myself. This comes with instructions. I should have read those. What the fuck? What just caused that?
Touchy horn.
Oh god, I just had a heart attack.
You made the connection.
Yeah, that's what it is. I'm grounding it out.
Yeah,
Scared the shit out of me.
Look at this clown cake. Oh, I drive a Daytona. It's real loud. My name's Brian. I eat chicken gizzards. If it ain't the old Gizzard King, the Gizzard Lizard, that's what I'm gonna call you.
Okay. Want to see something funny?
I want to see something.
Fender that car.
Your car?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Do me a favor, 6 o'clock behind me. Fender.
Move. Oh, shit.
Oh god, what happened? Flower car hit my car at work. Oh, murder somebody.
Why? There. There's a ding right in there. And then right hang on. What am I looking at? No, it's just body line.
Yeah, it's just the way the body line is. That's it.
So they're paying for it, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And then you shift a second. On that things.
Skeeter on your Peter, whack it off.
Don't. Oh man, I hadn't since Tallahassee.
Oh god.
Make sure you torque it down to 16.3 Newton meters.
Yeah, go away.
Yeah, fuck that.
What he said.
Send it. Send it till it breaks and back off the quarter turn. Just them little gnat things are like riding on the stitches, bro. It's weird.
Wow, that's probably not straight.
Boy, that's not bad now. It's good.
Yeah, that's the second amount of footage we've got on his scar.
Yeah.
What does the car sound? What does your car sound like, by the way? Sounds good.
Like dog
I wish.
Think so. Just like that.
In that order too.
Yeah.
You have any other car?
NRG knockoff Neochrome Slim quick release Amazon special.
Change put any stitches. Must have done a pretty good job. That bitch just about sealed up again.
Hey, buddy. You know what we're doing? Putting on that steering wheel.
Yeah, and the wheels are straight, correct?
Yeah.
Therefore.
Which way did you go? Yeah. Turn it back.
Oh yeah, that's right, because I loosened this. I feel like this needs to be tighter so I can get to it.
Don't ever say that to your girlfriend.
Yeah, that'll get you kicked out, right?
It's one of those things where you need a third set of hands to be able to do the work.
I'm more worried about it not going in straight is the issue. Try it here.
I already tried it not straight, and it does not work. Trust me.
It's quick release time.
6 hours later. Hey. It works.
It does.
Quick release that. 12 hours later.
Yeah.